Tired of chaotic Webex chats? I get it. When messages are flying everywhere and you can never find the file you need, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But here's the good news. You can fix all of that by creating a team, and I'm going to show you how to do it in under 2 minutes. By the end of this video, you'll have a clean, organized workspace where everything and everyone has its place. So here's the plan. I'll walk you through each step, from signing in to adding members and getting your team set up. It's going to be simple and straightforward. All right, let's get started. First things first, you need to sign in to your Webex account. Go ahead and open up Webex and log in with your credentials. If you're already signed in, you're one step ahead. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar. You'll see a list of options like calling, meetings, and messages. What we need is Teams. Just click on that. Now you're on the Teams page. This is where you'll see any teams you're already part of. But since we're creating a new one, look for a tile with a plus symbol on it. It's usually at the top or to the side. Click that plus tile. This might take just a moment to load as Webex gets the creation page ready. Give it a second. Once the page loads, you'll see a field that says Name the Team. This is where you give your team a name. Think of something clear and descriptive so everyone knows what this team is for. Maybe a project name or a department. Type that in. Below that, you have the option to add a description. This is optional, but I really recommend taking a moment to fill it in. A brief sentence about the team's purpose can save a lot of confusion later, especially if you have multiple teams. So go ahead and describe what this team is all about. Next up, you can add team members. This is also optional right now, but if you know who needs to be here, start typing their name or email address into the Add People field. As you type, Webex will suggest matches from your organization. It's a quick way to bring people in from the start. Now, take a second to review everything you've entered. Check that the team name is correct, the description makes sense, and you've added the right people. It's always easier to catch a mistake now than to change it later. When you're happy with everything, click the Create button. Webex will take a moment to process and set up your new team. You'll see a little loading indicator. Just be patient. It's doing the work in the background. And there it is. Your team has been created successfully. You'll see it appear in your list of teams, ready for action. Now you can start collaborating. This is where the real magic happens. You can create specific spaces within the team for different topics or projects. Invite more members as your team grows. Share files directly into those spaces so nothing gets lost in a messy chat. And of course, you can send messages and have focused conversations. So here's what I'd suggest you do next. Create a couple of spaces right away. Maybe one for general announcements, one for project updates, and one for sharing resources. That way, from day one, everyone knows exactly where to go for what. And that's really all there is to it. From scattered individual chats to a structured, organized team in just a couple of minutes. I hope this helps you get your Webex workspace under control. If you found this useful, I'd love for you to check out the next video, where we'll dive deeper into managing spaces and permissions. Thanks for watching.